SMCI Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at super microcomputer stock and seeing like a 35%, $35 is absolutely songs music to my ears, because we're seeing the second break taking place, and this is absolutely phenomenal for me. Like, I'm not saying this is like long term, but like this whole thing here for me is just like a bullish market, an idea that I want to take things up for. But obviously it's just now like intraday trades are going to be biased towards that. This is just kind of my hard time from idea that I'm looking at. In this instance, there's pull downs, the price comes here and shows me some proof, obviously then looking to take it up. Other than that, bro, I'm just not gonna buy, you know. Like, I don't know why the heck would I overcomplicate this. Yeah, I've had so many receipts with SMCI, and I've made more videos than anyone else in this space with the most proof documented of 39,000 videos. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.